Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to enable the brand new ChatGPT agent mode. This is a massive jump in AI history for 2026, essentially giving ChatGPT a virtual laptop to go out and finish your chores for you. So let's get right into it. First, you need to find the trigger. Open ChatGPT on your web browser, desktop app, or mobile phone. Look for the plus icon in the message bar where you usually type. Click that, and a menu of your available tools will pop up. From that list, select Agent Mode. Next, you need to give it a mission. Instead of just asking a question, give the agent a multi-step task in plain language. For example, you can tell it to research the top 5 best-rated noise-canceling headphones, find the best price available today, and draft an email to my boss asking for a reimbursement. Once you hit send, you'll see a live step-by-step log appear on your screen. Then you have to stay in the driver's seat. The most important thing to remember is that the agent is not set it and forget it for everything. For security, it will pause and ask you for your permission before it takes any major action, like making a purchase or sending an email. If it hits a login screen, you can click a button to take over the browser. Finally, you can even put your agents on a schedule. Once an agent successfully completes a task, look for the clock icon at the top of the chat. You can set that specific workflow to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly, like having an agent that checks your competitors' prices every Monday morning and sends you a summary. And that is it. You officially have an AI employee working for you. If this setup guide helped you automate your life today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech tutorials. See you in the next one.